I think this is my favorite place to be, to make music. It's such a special place and it feels magical. I'm Samyukta. For me, the wandering poet is a departure from what we're used to. It feels uninhibited and honest. Born from being away from home a lot, this music is about openness to new experiences. Featuring the talents of international musicians, it consists of contemporary arrangements of traditional Indian music transcending genres, cultures, and nationalities. Creating this album has been liberating, giving me the freedom to explore and expand on different sounds and vibes of the familiar. The different textures within the music really holds it together and creates magic along with the emotions of the songs, which allows one to go to a place where we can be free. And that is the magic of the wandering poet.